So my favorite light brand, Weeylite, they have these little pocket lights, and I want to tell you about it. They also sent 3, so I will be giving one away, which I'll explain very soon. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review. I think Weeylite is great, from their ring lights and portable lights to their sprite lights. And I really hope to get my hands on their Ninja lights. But this is the Weeylite SO3 Coral series. These things are tiny, pocket-sized. You get a USB-C charging cable, cold shoe adapter, and some instructions. All right, hang on, this will be satisfying. Okay, there isn't much to this light on the outside, just one switch to power it on. So how do you adjust the brightness or colors? It's simple, you just use the smartphone app. And yes, this app controls all of their lights, which is why I love the system so much. So let's just get these other lights out and see how easy it is to connect. So basically it connects right away and you can control all 3 of them up to 65 feet or 20 meters away. With the cold shoe adapter, you can easily put this on your camera or vlogging kit to use as your key light. And at 100% brightness, it will last for 1 hour. It's got a 1000 milliamp hour battery and it weighs close to nothing at 72 grams. And if you like what you see, and you should, they are priced under $30. And they come in 4 different colors. And also, if you do check the description, I have a coupon code to save you money. Now, I have 3 colors here, and if you want to win one in a future giveaway, just leave a comment letting me know which of these colors you like, and soon I will do a draw and pick one of you at random. Anyway, I just wanted to show you these in case you're looking for some small, cool, and app-controllable lights. But thanks again for watching this short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I hope to see you on the next one.
Mr. Black.